kada ku manta ku danna subscribe sannan ku danna ƙararrawa domin samun shirye-shiryen da kuka so muku a kowane lokaci.
Now, my honor, with your permission, sir.
Of the Boers men here in Sokoto.
Every day we are worried about what is happening in the Northwest. I was constrained to go public recently that when we came, if Nigeria are to be fair to us, they know the condition in the Northeast. They know the condition in the South. But what is happening now in the Northwest is what has honestly overwhelmed me. The same people, the same culture, killing each other, stealing each other's property. وَإِيَاذُ بِاللَّهِ Allah sogi. We are going to do our best, and the military and law enforcement agencies have been given a clear orders that they shouldn't spare any bandit or any terrorist. Inshallah, we are going to hand over a secure country better than we inherited. Alhamdulillah. Now go to
Rahim wa sallallahu ala nabi al-karim. You are our own dear brother. I want to assure you we have always supported you and other governments at all levels by prayers, by consultations,